this video, we'll be making a 3D model of a USB cable organizer that you can easily print at home. Let's get started. The printer will lay down layer by layer of filament material, gradually building up the cable organizer. Once the printing is complete, we'll remove the cable organizer from the printer and clean up any excess material. Now that we have our 3D printed cable organizer, the next step is to assemble it and install it where we want it. We'll start by assembling the parts together. We can see that there are several hooks on the base of the organizer, and these hooks will hold the USB cables in place. It's important to make sure that the cable organizer is securely attached to the surface, so it doesn't move or fall off. Now, we can start using the cable organizer to organize our USB cables. We can attach each cable to a hook, and make sure they're neatly arranged.
Functional and practical cable organizer that you can use to keep your USB cables organized and within reach.
الغرة لحظة دقيقة بصراحة.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY and 3D printing videos like this one.